This is Spring Creek Elementary in Provo with a student population of 570.
We were the lowest performing school in the district. They rank ordered all of our schools, and Spring Creek was at the bottom. We are now the third highest performing school in the district.
An almost unbelievable transformation has occurred here over the past 2 years. Principal Missy Hamilton says it's a transformation fueled by participation in the Turnaround School project.
Whether you're a failing school or a top-of-the-line school, there's always room for improvement. And so that's the kind of attitude you need to go in with. Not we're broken, we need to be fixed, but we have room for improvement. Let's figure out a model that's going to work for us.
The Turnaround model at Spring Creek focuses on the individual child, tracking success and failure. There is total accountability on the part of students and teachers. It's transformation that is tough.
It's tough. It's very emotionally draining. It's the hardest work you'll ever do, but the payoff is the reward at the end. I saw that you went from a 76 up to a 96. What did you do differently? Because we use data for everything. And as much as I knew data, I never knew data to the depth that I know it now with this Turnaround project. So every kid has a data notebook. Some of them are digital on the computer, some of them are just data notebooks. And so they track the most essential things that the teachers and the grade level has identified.
We track our spelling.
The kids know what they need to celebrate, and so you can pat them on the back, and then the kids can say, but I'm still struggling in science vocabulary. I'm not doing well on that.
And as teachers track a student's progress, the data is shared with the principal.
Now it's, what is it about this child that's preventing them from achieving their potential? And then we have the data to be able to dive deeply and figure out that kid's story. So we've had tons of opportunities to celebrate, and celebrate genuinely student achievement and hard work from the teachers. Did I mention hard work? Because it is hard work.
There's been a lot of hard work at Provo Peaks Elementary as well. This is also a turnaround school.
We went from a school that was looked at as the armpit of the district that was very low performing.
But several years into the Turnaround project, with an intense focus on student data and teacher accountability,
We're defying the odds when it comes to poverty and achievement. We're an outlier. And when they see that, and they recognize how far we've come and what we've been able to do, that's when they get excited and they're like, okay, this is worth it. You sit down with teachers and you look at data and you talk about, okay, which kid is not progressing and why. It's a lot more work. And so you've got to help teachers understand that, yes, you have to work at it, and it's not something that's going to come overnight.
That has made a big difference in the way we teach and the way we form our assessments and work as a team.
The change that we've made is so energizing that we've created a flywheel effect of change, that now the momentum is going and it's just taking on a life of its own. At the end of the day, we all can go to bed knowing that we did the right thing for kids, as hard as the work was.